So the LG Wing has been the most innovative device we've seen so far in the smartphone arena. Of course, we got foldable phones and stuff like that, but nothing so unique like the LG Wing. It has 2 displays, desktop mode, pen support with pen software. We have a special gimbal mode that gives you very smooth video, a beautiful display, a beautiful design, and it's running Android 12 with 2023 security patches slated to get Android 13 very soon. As of me recording this video, it's rolling out right now thanks to a few people that have shared their information with me. Android 13 is rolling out right now for the LG Wing. But in this video, I want to showcase how good these cameras are. Man, the LG Wing has very good cameras. And you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to show y'all guys some footage, and I'm going to come back and share my thoughts about the LG Wing and the cameras. So sit back, relax, and get your popcorn ready and follow me on this journey. Let's go. So I hope you enjoyed the camera footage that you just saw coming out of the LG Wing. Listen, I got the LG V60. That's kind of one of my daily drivers. And man, I miss the LG Wing. Man, this device is so good. I mean, look, don't get me wrong. There's some missed opportunities, right? I mean, there's some missed opportunities with the LG Wing. First, no headphone jack. Look, as a device that has gimbal mode, made for filming, not having a headphone jack for external audio is a missed opportunity. Also, using this device, using it, battery life has been okay, hasn't been the best. Listen, another missed opportunity. I wish LG would have had 4K in gimbal mode. That would have been icing on the cake. But overall, manual mode in 4K has been great. Also, the performance on this device after I received a couple of updates on Android 12 with March security patch of 2023 has been outstanding. Look, I will have all the links if you want to purchase this device on my website. But overall, the performance, the beauty of this device, desktop mode, pen support with pen software, utilizing the second display. I mean, absolutely, just brilliant. A brilliant device that I be had, right? I mean, this phone is really good. I really do like this phone. And then look, I always like going back to some of my LG devices, going back to some older devices to showcase how good they have aged over time. And the LG Wing have aged gracefully over time. This is Dr. Tech Preacher from Easy Computer Solutions. Leave your comments down below. Let me know what you think about the LG Wing in all its glory. See you guys on the next video. Peace.